Imagine, minutes from now, setting up your very own movie and TV streaming service and get paid every time someone browses your platform and hits the play button on a show. And you could do it all today while canceling your own Netflix, Amazon, or Disney Plus subscriptions thanks to a revolutionary new app called Flickr. This movie maker software is powered by real, premium versions of Midjourney Mega, DallE 3 HD, and Stable Diffusion Pro, which enables you to create original movies, TV shows, cartoons, and documentaries with a push of a button. Have Hollywood-level shows in all genres. Host live and on-demand events like comedy specials and sports. Create your own actors with Steven Spielberg quality scenes, live dialogue, action sounds, and special effects. And you can edit, create, and then publish these original shows with a one-click to your very own dedicated streaming platform, your own Netflix AI. That's right. Flickr creates your streaming service, complete with all the in-demand TV shows, movies, or documentaries you could dream of. You can monetize it with in-content ads just like regular TV commercials or promote affiliate offers via banners. Plus, you can sell subscriptions or one-time access for all accounts, all while collecting leads and building your list. Starting your own Netflix killer streaming service has never been easier. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface. Step 2. Let Midjourney Mega, DallE 3 HD, and Stable Diffusion Pro create short movies, TV series, documentaries, in all genres for you in one click. Step 3. Publish to your streaming platform, fully hosted, and get paid every time someone watches a movie or a show. Commercial license is included, meaning you can create and sell videos and movies for others. It works in any language with AI-generated voices and dialogue included, as well as sound effects, songs, and a Hans Zimmer level of movie score. Plus, AI upscaling means you can go anywhere from 4K to 16K in resolution with one click, with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Apple ProRes compatibility integrated. How cool is that? Listen, you're probably